everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Beauty. This is Rosni. Today I will talk about two hair packs which is too much important for our hair. First step is hair massage and second step is hair pack. Those who are having many types of hair problem like split ends, hair fall, dandruff, too much dry hair, oily hair, not longing of hair, glow gets reduced. For them today's pack is very necessary. Use it once a week. If you use this pack once a week, really will get a very long and shiny hair. And there are lot other reasons which I have shared in another video. So always do check my description. I have given the link there. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also watch the video till the end. And those who are viewing my video first, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. So let's start how I have made. For hair massage, at first I have taken gooseberry which I have cut into pieces. Then I have taken honey, and next I have taken curry leaves. According to my hair, I have washed them very properly. Now I will mix them all together. See the mixing. Now stain it with thin piece of cotton cloth. See this. Now I will mix the honey. Then stir it very well. So let's apply it. First use a cotton ball and apply it on your scalp. Then massage it on the hair. Then leave it for 20 minutes. Next for hair pack, I have taken 1 bowl oats, banana peels. You can see the banana is not here, only the peels is taken. And next I have taken coconut milk. I have grinded, then taken off the milk. Now I will cut the peel of banana into pieces. Now I will mix all the ingredients together. See, it is looking so nice after mixing. Let's say apply it. Leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it with a mild shampoo. You can see your hair talking and smiling. Just use it for once. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will share more attractive video with you all. To make sure subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. And like and share for sure. Always be well. Take care. Bye.